Class 6 Maths Chapter 1 Fractions. Today we are discuss about the exercise 1.1 fourth question. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and vice versa. The first one 3 into 7 by 18. Solution for first subdivision. 3 into 7 by 18 is given mixed fraction. Change to improper fraction. First multiply whole number into denominator number. Whole number into denominator number divided by denominator number plus numerator number. Then whole number 3. 3 into 18 plus 7 divided by 18. 3 into 18 54. 54 plus 7 61 divided by 18. The first one answer 61 divided by 18. Then next is second subdivision 99 divided by 7. This question second one answer 99 divided by 7 is the given improper fraction. Change to mixed fraction. 99 divided by 7th table. 1 7s are 7 remaining 2. Next number 9 29. 7 9s are 20. 7 4s are 28 remaining 1. Quotient value 14, remainder 1, then answer is equal to 14 into 1 by 7. Then answer 14 into 1 by 7. The next third subdivision 47 divided by 6 is the given improper fraction. Improper fraction, mixed fraction, change to mixed fraction. 47 divided by 6th table. 6 7s are 42 remaining 5. The answer is equal to 7 into 5 by 6. 7 into 5 by 6. The next one fourth subdivision. The given question mixed fraction change to improper fraction. 12 into 1 by 9 is the given mixed fraction. Change to improper fraction. First multiply whole number into denominator number plus add in numerator value. Okay, 12 into 9 108 plus numerator value 1. 109 divided by 9. The answer is equal to 109 divided by 9. The next one question number 5. Multiply the following 2 by 3 into 6. 2 by 3 into 6. Then first to multiply numerator number. 2 into 6 12. 2 6 are 12 divided by 3. Cancel the 3 table. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. The answer is equal to 4. First one answer is equal to 4. Second one, the second subdivision 8 into 1 by 3 into 5. Okay, then 8 is a whole number. 8 plus 1 by 3 into 5. 5 into 8. 5 8s are 40. 1 5s are 5. 5 by 3. Then second one, improper fraction, change to mixed fraction. The 40 plus 5 divided by 3 changed to mixed fraction means 1 into 2 by 3. Then this side whole number 40, this side whole number 1. The 40 plus 1 41 into 2 by 3. The answer is equal to 41 into 2 by 3. The next one third subdivision 3 by 8 into 4 by 8. Cancel the 4 table. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. The remaining 1 into 3, 3 divided by 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. The answer is equal to 3 by 10. Okay. Then fourth subdivision 3 into 1 5 by 7 into 1 into 1 by 13. Then first one is mixed fraction. Change to improper fraction. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 5 26 divided by 7 into 1 into 13. 13 plus 1 14. 14 divided by 13. Cancel the 13 table. 1 13s are 13. 2 13s are 26. Cancel the 7 table. 1 7s are 7. 2 7s are 14. Okay. Then 2 by 1. Answer is equal to. Divided by this side. The answer is equal to 2. Answer is equal to 2. This side also 2. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Last answer is equal to 2 into 2 4. Okay. The next question number 6. Divide the following 3 divided by 7. Divide 4. The first subdivision solution. 3 divided by 4. Divide 4 is equal to 3 by 7 into. Then divide symbol change it to multiplication symbol. Then 4 write in reciprocal 1 by 4. Okay. Then numerator value first multiply 3 into 1 3. 7 4s are 28. The first one answer is equal to 3 divided by 28. The next one 4 by 3 divide 5 by 9. Okay. Then 4 by 3 write. Next divide symbol change it to multiple symbol 9 by 5. Okay. Reciprocal write 9 by 5. Numerator value first multiple 4 9s are 36. Denominator also multiply 3 5s are 15. Okay. This number improper fraction change it to mixed fraction. 36 divided by 15 table. 2 15s are 30. Remaining 6. Then 2 into 6 by 15. Answer is equal to. The next cancel the 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. 2 into 2 by 5. Last answer is equal to 2 into 2 by 5. Next 7. Third subdivision. 4 into 1 by 5 divide 3 into 3 by 4. Okay. Then this first one mixed fraction change it to improper fraction. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 21 divided by 5 divide 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3 15 divided by 4. 21 divided by 5. Divide symbol change it to multiple symbol. The next fraction write reciprocal 4 by 15. Then cancel the 5 table 3 table. 5 3s are 15. 7 3s are 21. Okay. 7 4s are 28. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Then answer is equal to. Then answer is equal to 28 divided by 5 5s are 25. Okay. Divide this one is improper fraction change it to mixed fraction. 125s are 25. Remaining 3 3 by 25. The first one answer is equal to 1 into 3 by 25. Okay, the next fourth subdivision. This one is mixed fraction change it to improper fraction. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2 29 divided by 3. Then divide symbol. Next 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3. Then 29 divided by 3. Divide symbol change it to multiple. Write reciprocal 3 by 5. 3 3s are cancel. Next 29 by 5. Okay, 29 by 5. This one is improper fraction. Change it to mixed fraction. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 into 4 by 5. Then fourth subdivision answer is equal to 5 into 4 by 5. Next question number 7. Gauri purchased 3 into 1 by 2 kilogram of tomato, 3 by 4 kilogram of brinjal and 1 into 1 by 4 kilogram of onion. What is the total weight of the vegetables she bought? Solution. Weight of the tomato Gauri purchased 3 into 1 by 2 kilogram. Brinjal 3 by 4 kilogram. Onion 1 into 1 by 4. All the one. Total means all the one add. All the one is mixed fraction. Change it to improper fraction. Then answer is equal to. Change it to improper fraction. The answer is equal to 4 plus 6 by 4 kilogram. The all the one add means total weight of the vegetables that Gauri purchased 5 into 1 by 2 kilogram. 5 into 1 by 2 kilogram. Okay. The next one, 8th question. An oil tin contains 3 into 3 by 4 liters of oil, of which 2 into 1 by 2 liters of oil is used. How much oil is left over? Then subtraction. Total available oil 3 into 3 by 4 liter. Quantity of oil used 2 into 1 by 2 liters. The quantity of left over 3 into 3 by 4 minus 2 into 1 by 2. This one is mixed fraction changed to improper fraction. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. Okay, 15 divided by 4 minus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5 divided by 2. Then this one is multiplying in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Then 15 minus 10 means 5 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4. Then change it to mixed fraction. This one is improper fraction. Change it to fixed. 1 into 1 by 4. 1 into 1 by 4. The last one answer is equal to quantity of oil left over 1 into 1 by 4 liters. The next one, question number 9. Nilavan can walk 4 into 1 by 2 kilometer in an hour. How much distance will he cover in 3 into 1 by 2 hours? Distance walked by Nilavan in 1 hour is equal to 1 hour. How many to walk? 4 into 1 by 2 kilometer. Distance walked 3 into 1 by 2 hours. 4 into 1 by 2 into 3 into 1 by 2. This one is mixed fraction. Change it to improper fraction. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 divided by 2 into 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 2. Numerator value multiple. 9 7s are 63. 2 2s are 4. So 63 divided by 4. This one is improper fraction. Change it to mixed fraction. 15 into 3 by 4 kilometer. Okay. Nilavan walks 15 into 3 by 4 kilometer in how many hours? 3 into 1 by 2 hours. The next one, question number 10. Ravi bought a sardine of length 15 into 3 by 4 meter. If he cut the sardine into small pieces each of length 2 into 1 by 4 meter, then how many small sardines will head? Okay, length of the sardine Ravi got 15 into 3 by 4 meter. Length of the small sardine 2 into 1 by 4 meter. Number of pieces. How many pieces? 15 into 3 by 4 divide 2 into 1 by 4. This one is mixed fraction. Change it to improper fraction. 15 into 4. 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 3, 63. Okay, 63 divided by 4. Then 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 divided by 4. Center symbol divide. Change it to multiple symbol. The first number no change, right? 63 divided by 4. Second one symbol multiple. 9 by 4, right? Reciprocal 4 by 9. Okay, cancel the 9 table. 4 4s are cancelled. Next cancel the 9 table. 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. 7 9s are 63. Okay, the answer is equal to 7. Ravi will get 7 small sardines. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Then 11th one answer 10 by 11 less than 9 by 10. This one is incorrect statement. Okay. The difference between 3 by 7 minus 2 by 9. Cross multiplication. 3 9s are 27. 2 7s are 14. Okay. 9 7s are 63. Okay. Then answer is 1 3. 13 by 63. 13 by 63. The answer is equal to 13 by 63. This one is answer. The next one, the reciprocal of 53 divided by 17. Reciprocal means numerator number write in denominator, denominator number write in numerator. The answer is equal to 17 by 53. Okay. The next one, then 6 divided by 7 is equal to a divided by 49. Denominator number multiply in 7th table. 7 7s are in the numerator also multiply in 7th table. 6 7s are 42. The answer is equal to 42. This answer is equal to 42. The next one, last one. Pugal has been given 4 choice for his pocket money by his father. Which of the choice should he take in order to get the maximum money? Okay, maximum money. 1 by 150. The answer is equal to 5 3s are 50. Okay, cancel 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 50, 30 rupees. This one is cancel, 3 5s are 50. Okay, 1 5 3 5s are 15, 30, 90 rupees. This one cancel the 60. The answer is equal to 3 into. The answer is equal to 3 into 3 by 5 of 150. This one is more money. Okay. First one answer is equal to this one. Second one answer is equal to this one. Third one answer is equal to this one. Fourth one answer is equal to 42. The fifth one answer is equal to 3 by 5 of 150 rupees. Okay. Today recap exercise 1.1 question number 4 to 15. Today homework exercise 1.1 question number 4 and 5 write home test. Thank you dears.